Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without device help. So first we should open the control panel and find somewhere here scan icon. If you don't see this icon here, click to the settings icon. Okay, I got here the scanner. Just tap to open it, tap to I agree, allow, and now we should place the QR code inside of this frame. So let's do this. Wait a second, and now we can see here this is the link. So click to go to website, and our device directly just opened the link. This is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.